Have you ever asked yourself what it would be like to get paid just to talk? Now, I don't know about you, but I'm a chatty Cathy and I love to talk. And thinking about getting paid for it is just truly an amazing idea. So today what I'm going to talk about is how to make $100 per minute just by talking. Stay tuned. Hi guys, I just want to welcome you to the best YouTube channel out there that's all about helping you make money from home and become a stay-at-home profiter. If you guys could do me a favor, and I mean do it right now, go like and subscribe. Alright guys, let's get started. So first things first, what is a voice actor? And are they really in demand? Aren't they just, characters and movie actors? No, it's actually more common than you think. Commercials, podcast intros, outros, YouTube intros and outros, and voiceovers for courses and software programs. It's truly in demand, and that's why you can get started today and start making real cash. So April, how do I get started getting paid for just reading a script? Well, I'm going to show you how. Step 1 is creating a sample to show off your voice. Now, how could you do that? Super easy. Head over to Fiverr and look up actual voice actors, podcast intros, and look at what they're showing on their profiles. Usually in this industry, it's called a demo reel. And you can get a really good idea of what they're doing and how they are doing it. The next way to do that is just going to YouTube or going to Google and searching demo reels. This is a great way to create 2 or 3 different types of demo reels and really show off what your voice can do without overdoing it and giving prospective clients an actual idea of what they could get when they hire you. Okay, April, I don't have the money to invest into audio equipment. How am I going to make sure my voice sounds great? Well, guess what? Amazon. Spend about $10, $20 on a mic from there, have them send it to you. Or if you do have the budget, you can go and get a Yeti from your nearest Walmart or Best Buy. But if you were just like me when I started out and had a budget of $0, well, use what I did. Your cell phone. Quick, easy, there you go. The whole point is for your prospective client to get an idea of what your voice is like and if it matches their goals. And as soon as you start bringing in those clients and making that money, you'll be able to invest more into better audio equipment. Alrighty, so you already have the mic. What about audio, right? Like, how is it going to sound? What if my room is too echoey? What am I supposed to do about that, April? Don't fret, okay? Here's some quick tips. Number 1, DIY the spare office or the spare bedroom that you have. Grab some blankets, some pillows, tack them up on the wall, and there you go. That actually helps the sound and bring a barrier so it's not so echoey. Or if you need something for easier cleanup or a little bit more professional, something you can do is go grab some cardboard boxes and tack on some foam for it and then put those up on the wall. Because when you're done, you can easily take it off, fold it up, and there you go. The third best out of all options, if you're like, hey, April, I'm literally in a 1-bedroom apartment. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Go do it in your closet. Now, I know this sounds crazy, but guys, it works. And I can honestly say I may have made a video in a closet before, a long time ago when I was just starting out. Definitely works and helps with the audio. The clothes around you really absorbs the extra sound you have and definitely can bring out more of your voice, even if you're using your own phone. So those are my quick tips on your microphone and those audio. All right, let's move on to step number 2, finding clients. That's super important, right? We all want to get paid. That's the whole point of this video, right? So I'm going to give you 3 amazing websites that's actually made for this and has those clients to hire you. The first one is voices.com, which is truly amazing. The next one is voice123.com, and then the third one is baldango.com. All right, so I accidentally messed that one up. It's Baldango. All right, so I might have messed that up. It's actually Bulldoggo, as you can see right here. So go to any of these websites and go upload your demo reel and then start offering your services. You can even get clients faster and get reviews faster for offering them at a discounted or even for free.
What? You said your office services for free? I'm here to make money now.
Okay, I completely get that. But what I'm saying here is the best way to build out a fast clientele is getting those reviews. Those should be number one, and you only need 2 to 3 of them to really get a head start. So go offer them highly discounted for free and grab those reviews fast. This is going to help you go straight up to charging $100 per minute for your voiceover. All right, guys, number 3, but real quick, hit that like button and subscribe so you can always stay up to date with my amazing stay-at-home profit videos. We are crushing the unemployment scene for military spouses and stay-at-home moms, and you don't want to miss that. All right, guys, let's move on to number 3. You guys, this is the most important step. It is going to either make it or break it for you. Are you ready? All right, you need to go all in. What? No, seriously, you need to go all in. The biggest thing that's stopping you right now is just not doing it. You're going to watch this video, you're going to click out of YouTube, and you're going to go on with your life. What? Why? Don't you need the money? Don't you want stable income? Don't you want to make $100 per minute in a closet? Seriously. It's your mindset on how bad do you want this. And if you want it as bad as I think you do, then let's do it. Let's go all in together because I believe in you. So those are my 3 blueprint steps. And as a recap, number 1, getting a voice demo done. Number 2, finding clients. And of course, number 3, believing in yourself and just going all in. Okay, April, let's be real. All of this sounds great, but it's just not for me. This isn't what I want to be doing, and I truly want to make money from home. That's okay. I have created an amazing, truly amazing community that's so supportive, and it's all about creating an income and becoming a stay-at-home profiter. So if you're interested in joining that amazing community, head over to Facebook at Stay at Home Profit and check it out and join the amazing community of people who are trying to make an income all from home. Say hi to me there, tag me where you found the group, and I would love to chat with you even one-on-one and help you become a stay-at-home profiter. And if you're interested in becoming a virtual assistant, check out the link below where I'm giving away for completely free the Virtual Assistant Secrets book. It's going to help you become a booked out virtual assistant. All right, guys, have an amazing day and thank you for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.